been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand. It's hard.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video on a facial mask. I'm going to use drugstore products like the green tea and aloe vera hydrating cloth mask. That's going to go on second, and I'm going to use the Beauty and Me Cucumber Lime Purifying Cucumber Face Peel. So if you're interested to see how I do my facial mask just before I go to bed, then please keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I've got to remove all my makeup, and with that I'm going to be using the Nivea Double Effect Eye Makeup Remover with just some makeup pads. This particular product is fantastic in removing eyeliner, mascara, you name it. As you can see, I've got really puffy eyes, and I need to now put on the facial peel. So I'm never an attractive sight, but if you want to keep your skin nice and healthy, then doing a facial is pretty much required at least once a week. Okay, I'm going to leave this on now for like 10 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it off, and then I'll put on the hydrating mask. So 10 minutes has passed, and as you can see, the mask, I'm going to peel it off right now, and this feels absolutely magnificent. My God, this is fantastic. It's like peeling off a second skin. It feels fantastic, but it's pretty gross. I don't know how good this is going to come up. Wow. A face towel. I'm going to wet the face towel. I'm going to use the Nivea Refreshing Facial Wash gel just to remove all the residue off my face. It's made my skin really red. Oh my God. It's like it's peeled my skin back raw. Okay, I've just taken a shower, and now I'm going to use the green and tea aloe vera hydrating cloth mask, which contains green tea. It's hydrating, detoxifying, smoothing, and dermatologically tested. Okay, let's do this. So it's very sticky and it's very wet. Unravel this, and apparently I'm supposed to leave it on my face for like 20 minutes. Here we go. And I'm just smoothing down the edges. I have to lie down for 25 minutes to make sure that the moisturizer in this mask doesn't run down. But honestly, I feel like Jason out of the movie Halloween. Okay, so the 25 minutes is up, and I'm going to take it off. And what you're supposed to do is just rub in the excess moisturizer. Feels really lovely, nice and smooth. And now I'm just going to add some Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer on my face. And the last thing I'm going to use is the Nivea Night Cream. It's the Regenerating Night Cream. I am still a little bit red, but they say that it'll go down overnight. So on that note, everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching me do a facial mask today or this evening. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and make sure that you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Thank you again for watching. Gotta go now. Good night, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.